Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. If you've a mind, you can take and make an outside corner or an inside corner with this material. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me get a So I measure to this. So if I was doing that corner over there, an inside corner, and keep it continuous on the outside, all you have to do is cut the back first at the point where you want it to bend, and then cut across the bottom, and it will bend like so. There's your inside corner. Now, outside corner is a little trickier. If I wanted an outside corner in this area, I measure to the outside. You have to allow that 3/4 of an inch width. What I'm going to do, I'd have a mark right here. That's where my corner is going to be. I go about an inch on both sides of that and cut on the back side. Fold it down so I can get in there, and then I'm going to aim those snips to that point right there in the middle. I'm going to cut this way. I'm going to bend it down a little bit and then cut back over to that other. So we have a V there. And then we're going to fold that, and that makes an outside corner. Later on in this film, I'm going to show you how to deal with the bottom rail in case you don't have the bottom rail. But this is not a film on how to do vinyl skirting, but this is basically the same way. It'll be a little trickier with the plastic. There's your inside corner, and there's your outside corner. Take some practice to do that, make it look that easy, but I guarantee you can do it. The next level after bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.